Hey guys, I'm showing you and testing this Casekoo 2023 upgrade fastest and safest charging. So it's a Apple M5 certified iPhone charger cable. So this is a USB-C to a lightning cable charging and can be used for iPhones with a lightning input and also it's a 2x faster. As you can see, the braided quality is good, so it's not easy to break and can support up to 30-watt charging with the Apple certified auto temperature monitoring chip. So this is a cool feature, and this is a Apple certified, so it is built as the Apple norms. And you can see like the USB-C here with the lightning cable thing here. So it's a 5x stronger than the previous models, as you can see it here. And let's just put it in the iPhone and see how this charge started. So you can see the charging start promptly, start fast charging. Just put in the charger and just start it. So it's a good M5 certified Apple charging cable.